How come some of your favorite creators can make hundreds, if not thousands of videos?
What's up? I would never, if she's built. Would I date if she is? Oh, I'm not, actually tried
And you're having a tough time making one. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make hundreds of videos or any other type of content without burning out. Let's take it to the next level. So back in 2012, when I started my very first content marketing program, I made one of the biggest mistakes that nearly led to that program's failure. So what was it? Was it consistency? Did I start publishing on random times and not being consistent every week? Nope, I was pretty consistent. Was our content more product focused rather than educational or helpful? Nope, we made it a focus to provide value to our target audience. So how about company buy-in? Did we just do this in a silo? Nope, we took the time to do many presentations to ensure that we got buy-in from the entire organization, especially leadership. So what was it? Well, it was actually making sure that the content program was sustainable. Creating content, which consisted of blogs and podcasts, took so much time that it nearly burnt out. It was the pressure of creating and publishing 3 times a week in and week out, that made it so difficult. So I was getting burnt out, and luckily the program didn't die out, but I was finding it much harder and harder to produce content each week. So fast forward to 2017, brand new organization, brand new content marketing program, but this time video centric. Now you think with video, it'd be much harder to create content week in and week out, but I actually found it much easier because I found the secret sauce, and that was batching. Batching is one of the easiest ways to create multiple pieces of content, which you can then publish over the next several weeks and months without having to worry about what is your next content piece that you have to create. So when I created the content marketing program Homebuyer School at Brookfield Residential, I batched about 8 to 12 episodes at a time, and publishing about twice a week, that was about a month's worth of content. I would record 2 half-day sessions a month, about 8 to 12 episodes per recording session. That's 16 to 24 episodes in 1 month, which is about 2.5 months worth of content at a publishing rate of 2 times a week. And if I did 4 recording sessions in 2 months, that's anywhere between 24 to 48 episodes ready to be published. That's so much easier than trying to create 2 episodes each week. And with my current content marketing program, the Social Impact Show with Benevity, we record anywhere between 3 to 6 episodes per recording session, and we publish once a month. You get the idea. So here's my way to create content in batches, and it's primarily focused on video and audio, but I'm sure you can repurpose it to written content as well. So the first thing I do is research a topic, and it's all built under the foundation of They Ask, You Answer, a methodology by Marcus Sheridan, where we're answering every possible question that our customers or prospects are always asking. So I connect with the sales teams, the marketing teams, customer experience teams, customers, and find out all the top questions that customers, prospects, and clients are always asking, which then serves the basis for pretty much any content that we're gonna create. And then augment that with YouTube and Google SEO research. So the second step is batching all these questions into topics and themes, which leads to the third step, is to finding the expert to answer these questions. Or you could be the expert. So the next step is to schedule your recording dates, booking your experts, and finding your recording location. For Homebuyer School, because we recorded most of our videos in a show home, we had to book the show home as well as book a video agency because they were the ones helping me record the videos. And finally, once you have the batch of recorded episodes, you'll have to edit it yourself or send it to an agency to edit it for you. And remember, if you're getting value from this episode, I'd really appreciate you hitting that like button. And the question of the day for you is, how do you create your content? Do you batch your episodes? How many episodes do you batch at a time? And how many episodes are you further ahead? Let me know in the comment section below. So there's a couple of drawbacks to recording in batches, nothing too problematic, but just something to keep aware of. The first one is that you may need to go back and re-record some episodes because information changes. So for example, with the Homebuyer School, a couple of our episodes we recorded when the Government of Canada had a new program out, and we quickly talked about that program in one of the episodes. And then they rolled out updated information on that same program, I would say 4 to 6 months later, which then changed some of the content that we actually talked about in the previous episode, which then we'd had to re-record. So recording in batches doesn't take into account trending or breaking news or events, which you may want to create content on, but it does give you the flexibility to publish content while you're creating content to piggyback on some of those trending topics or breaking events. Batching your content is just one part of a full content marketing strategy. Learn how to create one and maximize your content by watching this video here, and watch this playlist to learn about some of the video tools that I use to help with your content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in our next episode.